Bob, if you're having trouble putting the money in your pocket, why don't you fold it first?
What a good idea, Deane. I'll fold it in halves. You're absolutely right. It slips in
Easy.
You're so smart. I'll tell you what. Fold it like that 10 times. You can have it.
This is not a joke.
Nope, in halves 10 times.
Just in halves 10 times. All right. Well, there's once.
Right, once.
Twice. Any
Right.
direction?
Yep.
So, all right. So 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. I'm halfway there. It's
You
getting,
think so?
it's getting difficult. 6 times,
I think
and
you're
I'm
stumped.
sunk. Yeah, it
Right.
was too small.
Well, it certainly
was too
fits into
small.
my pocket much more easy like that.
Oh, yeah, but
Thank you,
it
Deane.
was too small. If I had a larger piece of paper to start with,
Oh,
it
you
would
think
have
that's
been a
the
pushover.
problem? All right. 10 times.
And if I fold the newspaper 10 times, I can have the dollar?
Why not?
Okay. This will be easy. 1. 2 was already done for me. 3, and you'll notice I'm pressing it flat.
Oh, it's
each
wonderful
time.
to see.
And this is 4. Now 5, halfway there, and plenty to go. There's number 6. Look at this. Here comes number 7.
10 times.
10 times. And here's number 8, and that's it.
Where's number 9, Deane?
Well, I
I think the dollar's
don't think I
safe.
can do it. If I had thinner paper to start with, it would have been a pushover.
Aha, thinner paper,
But you give
right?
me thick
Put it away.
newspaper.
There you are. Same size, but much thinner.
Tissue
It's
paper. Oh, well, this will
Right, off
really
you
be
go.
easy. There's number 1. And here's number 2.
I can't stand any more of this. We'll come back
Here's
at the end of
number
the show
3.
and see if he actually made it. 10 times.
Four. 5. And that's 6.
Right, you've got to get 10, remember?
Oh, I'll make it easily this time. Because there's number 7.
Right,
Make it nice and flat. And here comes number 8.
right.
Almost there. Here's number 9.
Ah, but where is number 10?
I don't think I can do it.
What's your trouble?
Well, the problem is the little heap is doubling in thickness each time. And it's now, I think, thicker than it is wide. And it's just not possible to get it in
Yeah, it goes
halves
very
at 10th
fast.
time.
Actually, the moon is about 384,000 kilometres away, right? Now, you can't fold it any more than 10 times. It's
No,
just impossible.
impossible.
If you could, let's just say you could, how many times do you think you'd have to fold that in order to use the column to poke the moon around or touch the moon?
Well, it's growing very rapidly because it's doubling in height each time, so it wouldn't take you as many as you might think at first. But I
Right.
still think it'd be about 1,000.
Well, no, you're wrong, actually. It's only 1/100 of a millimetre thick. But you'd only have to double it over 48 times to be able to touch the moon with it, if you could do that. It's incredible, isn't it?
That's amazing. Well, the sun is about 150 million kilometres away. See if you can figure out how many times you'd need to double the flame-proof tissue paper to make a column high enough to touch the sun.
We'll see you next week. Goodbye.
Bye.
Curiosity.